Alright, so I'm doing more work. What I did so far was crawling in here. I took off the drain plug on the tank, and it's empty. There's nothing in there, which is cool. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing the fuel system today. I'm gonna see that thing up there. That is the fuel pump, I believe. I'm gonna be replacing it with this. This is a pump off a 928 Porsche.
Out of the way, lady. We're trying to drive here, okay?
I believe these can flow up to, they're good up to like 700 or 800 horsepower. So like 340 lph, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna pull that off. We're gonna flush out the tank, see if there's any rust. So yeah, I'm gonna fill that up with water or something and flush it out, see if any trash comes out. Cool. I got some fucking water on there. The pump out the way. Alright, it's a moment of truth, I guess. So if it's brown, it's bad. I'm gonna have to take the tank out and have it clean. Oh shit. Not too bad, honestly. Doesn't smell like anything. Nope. So I guess they took out the gas a long time ago, which is cool. Damn, I'm still gonna have to take out the tank because I have to take this off, which I gotta fucking go under there and unbolt the straps and then pull that off. And then that one too. I don't have to take the tank off for this one, but it'll look much cleaner if I do. Damn, I got it out. So dusty. There's just a few hoses holding it on, but damn, so dusty. Damn, took it out, but it looks like 10 times better. Now I just gotta put the tank back in. I gotta figure out how to mount the fuel pump, and should be good. This is the last one, so I got the injectors completely hooked up. See there? All the injectors are hooked up. Now I just gotta run the coils to the fuse box, and then from the fuse box to the ECU. This is the wire that kind of seals the water out of the ECU and has all these little holes to organize it. So yeah, and I also have to figure out, this. This is my 12 volts coming from the ECU, which branches off into these two thick wires. It looks like a mess, but these wires are these are all spare wires and stuff. Where is it? Okay, that's for the junction box for 12 volts. These two right here, these two thick ones. So I have to figure out how to connect these to this. I tried twisting them together already, and as you can see, they just kind of fry off. So I have to figure out a 2-to-1 way connector for 10 gauge wire. And yeah, ignition, injectors, basically all the sensors go through here. So yeah.